Welcome to plan design. Today we will see this wonderful floor plan, first floor and ground floor. First floor we have 4 bedroom and ground floor we have living room and family one room, common room. So ground floor everything just for service purpose, and area hall, majlis, dining, kitchen and family room, a wide lobby. And first floor we have full bedroom, 4 bedroom with one wonderful family hall and wonderful balcony. So this wonderful floor plan we will see one by one. Column, door, window, everything arranged properly in very much proper way. And unit we have given this centimeter. So we will see this plan from this very beginning. So this is our main entrance. If you see here, this is our main entrance. This circular column for design purpose. This two side here, and this two here, and this two here. So this is our entrance. 332 by 700, 650 by 240. Then we are getting our stair. In down we are getting store 310 by 150. Okay, this is our majlis area, 780 by 740. This is our dining, 740 by 600 centimeter. And again this here living, wonderful living, 640 by 880. Here common family room, 440 by 480, wide open common family room. This is wonderful kitchen. From back side also entry, 630 by 480. This 120 our lobby area, corridor area. Then again this is our bathroom and dress area, wash area. Then again here in dining we attached this washroom, 300 by 180, and this 170 by 180 toilet. Then this through this stair we are reaching first floor. So this is first floor. This family hall, wide family hall, 880 by 500 this side, 700 by 500 this side. If you see here, this is wonderful balcony, full access up to here. You can enter from here also, and you can enter from here also. So this wonderful balcony. If you see this two small circular pillar, it go continually for design purpose, wonderful projection, wonderful parapet detail purpose. Okay, so this is bedroom again, front side, 450 by 560. This corner side you can keep your cupboard. Okay, this is dress, 200 by 170, 200 by 260 bathroom. This attached. This again we are getting wide open pantry, completely open pantry, 220 by 310. Then we are getting here again another wonderful bedroom, 600 by 450. This dress area, 260 by 220. This bathroom attached. Then this side we are getting attached bedroom again, 600 by 440. And this is bathroom, 200 by 230, 320. This is dress room, this 280 by 210 by 300. This wonderful balcony, 180 cm. This balcony you can access from here also, this bedroom, and from this bedroom also. If you see, this is very big bedroom, very wide and master bedroom, 750 by 760. And this is the entrance. This is the attached bathroom in same size. So this plan something like this. This main function for this plan, this wonderful balcony, you can cover through our living area, and this wonderful balcony back side cover through this 2 bedroom. So number of 4 bedroom, family hall, pantry and wonderful balcony, first floor. Number of 1 family room and dining, wonderful living and majlis area, hall, entrance, ground floor with kitchen. So this wonderful floor plan with complete opening and column layout, everything you can see here arranged properly. So if you see this one many more important thing, this column comes here and this column is here. So this is our over part. This will go in design, it will go projection area in this with covering this balcony. So this much part will go out. So this wonderful floor plan, you can cover this in all boundary and this G+1. I hope you got this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.